Just wanted to take a quick moment to explain why I haven't been posting so much. Living in Pittsburgh, I just really don't have much place to fly, and honestly, I don't know, I feel kind of burnt out from it recently, flying and racing, and just been doing a lot of lifting and video games. So if you want to follow my Instagram or TikTok, I'm going to hopefully try to enter a powerlifting meet soon, but I just want to let you know that that's where I've been, but all that content is going to be lifting. So if you want to follow, you can. If not, that's completely fine. So let's get on with the video. Alright, I got to make this quick because it is raining, but we are back for a line of sight video. This is the quad that I'm going to be using here. This is one of my most recent ones. I've got a little bit of duct tape on it just because to try to keep the rain out. It has been absolutely pouring. And this is the lightest it's going to get, so I'm going to try to make this quick. The frame, this is a Switchback Pro, I believe. This is not the new light switch or the original, so this is like the V2, not the V1 or the V3. We have a Foxeer V5 camera up there. The motors are iFlight Zing. These are the V2 with the curved and slotted magnets. These are 2207 motors. Yeah, these are the 1950 kV. The ESC, this one has a Hobbywing, the 60 amp 2020. I have like a bunch of these, and some of them have the iFlight Zing 45, the one with the straight motor pads on the angles, and some of them have the Hobbywing. They've all been doing well. The flight controller, these also have the iFlight Sussex F7. Some of them have the older gyro, which is much better for noise. This newer one, whichever they switch to, that's not MPU 6000, definitely flies much worse, unfortunately. Chip shortage of the MPU 6000s really sucks. It's got a TBS 69 board in there. That's pretty much it. For the battery, we're going to be using a V5 R-Line, the 1200, which is a really nice line of sight pack. A lot lighter than a 1400, but still really well. Don't worry here, I have the ESC tones turned way down, so it's super quiet, kind of freaks people out. Thanks, Cappy, for that one. I have not flown a single battery, FPV, or line of sight since I.O., so that has been probably 4 months. I just woke up, and it's raining, and I'm tired, so I have no idea how this is going to go. First off, trying to get out here and fix my camera. I got a haircut, so my hat doesn't fit very well anymore. My head's too small. Squad even has props I have not touched since I.O. Just been busy at school, just don't really have anywhere to fly. Just do video games and lifting now, but to fly once and again. These motors really look pretty slick. I know you're definitely not gonna be able to see it on camera, but kind of rainbow, so they pretty much look whatever color props you put on. They match really well since the color reflects on them. This squad definitely moves. The reason I got these rainbow ones over the original motors was these are like the only ones that they offered in 1950 kV. Not really sure why. They tend to offer lower KVs from iFlight. Just makes more sense. You don't really need it, but for high-level racing it can help. Gives you that little bit extra power and control. Some people are running like 2100. Absolutely ridiculous people. I'll never be as good as that, but man, I am absolutely rusty. I haven't flown in so long. The Tyrannis sticks are like so sharp on my fingers, it's kind of hurting from just 3 minutes of flying right here. I can do like a... I don't know what rates are on this actually. Probably my race rates. I'm gonna do that, but closer to the camera here. Might work better. Yeah, I am totally washed. I can't do it. Get a funnel going. Wow, you can see I am just... My full full rate stick deflections are just no idea what they are. Quad fly is good though. Most of mine after IO were completely smashed and had all these quirky issues, but I think this is one of the ones that's holding out fine. Alright, that's probably it for this battery. So yeah. Quad didn't get didn't crash of wetness, so that's good. It's starting to rain a little bit harder now, but there you go. You can even see that still have gate residue on these props. I have not touched anything since IO. But there you go. That was a quick line of sight flight with one of my new race quads. Again, sorry for not really posting too many videos, but I just don't really have the time, place, or energy for it anymore. I move on to most of the other things, but there'll be links down below for all the parts if you're interested in that, as well as my IO video. And yeah, if you want to keep up to date with what I'm doing, maybe not RC related, but more gym and lifting, I'll post a link to my Instagram and TikTok if you want to follow that. There we go. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.